Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make Aloo Paratha. I am preparing 10 parathas, so I have considered 3 to 4 cups of wheat flour. Knead the dough by adding water, same as you prepare dough for chapati or rotis. The dough is ready. Apply a little bit of oil on top of it and keep it aside for 20 minutes by covering it with a wet cloth. Now we will prepare filling for Aloo Paratha. Here I have considered 7 to 8 potatoes, boiled it and mashed. To it I am adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder, two tablespoons of Amchur powder, few coriander leaves, salt as per taste. Here I am taking Ajwain and crushing it with hands and adding. Adding 1.5 tablespoons of Jeera powder. Now mix all the ingredients. I am using hands to mix. You can also use spoon instead. But with hands it is easy to mix and it also mixes very well. Now this is done. Let's check on the dough. So it's been 20 minutes. So we will remove the cloth. The oil applied on top of the dough is completely absorbed. So we will just knead it for few seconds. Now make 10 balls out of the dough. Now take a portion and add some dry flour and roll it. Don't roll too much. It should be of this size. Now put the stuffing inside it. Cover the stuffing by closing it with dough from the corners and bringing all dough at center and sealing it. Spread it a little bit with hands and then add dry flour and roll it. Roll it nicely without making the stuffing come outside. As per need, you can also add dry flour. The tava should be hot enough when you put the paratha. While the paratha is cooking, we will prepare another paratha. Now it is cooked on one side, so flip it and add some ghee. Then add on the other side also. the same process is repeated. Add paratha on the tava, put ghee, flip it and add ghee on the other side also. Your hot and soft aloo parathas are ready. You can see how soft the aloo parathas have come. Add a spoon of butter on top of the paratha. You can serve it with raita or green bean chutney. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.